Welcome into Benny Bikes. We are going to bust out the first video of the year. Today we're in the Charlie Frias Park. When I was a kid, we used to call this area Tropicana Trails. I was talking to someone else, and they said their friends used to call this Honda Hills. It used to be a bunch of little like caliche dirt path jumps and trails and stuff like that. Anyway, we're going to go check it out. And there's a little event going on at the Orleans today, which is right down the street. We're on Tropicana and Decatur. This goes all the way up to Lindell. And we're going to explore this a little bit and then go see if the little car event is going on, because it's pretty crappy weather today, the 1st of January. But what I do here is ride my e-bike around Las Vegas. I 3D print stuff like this thing here. I got this mad cow today. It's like a Highland cow that's got red and black and a little bit of gold. But we're going to try to find somewhere to put it. See what's down here. What I'll do is I'll kind of hide it somewhere. I'm not going to go way off the path like this, but I just wanted to come down here and check it out. And then I also got this, since we're going to kind of a car event, if there even is one, I got this Caprice thing that I made. If you're into Chevy Caprice, this is like a little fridge magnet. You can put this right on your fridge or your toolbox or whatever. But I thought we'd get out here, even though the weather's not great, and get our first video knocked out of the year. Kind of just started doing this recently. It's like a hide and seek type of thing, you know what I mean? And I've been watching a lot of e-bike videos and kind of exploring Vegas, but I didn't quite see what I wanted to, you know what I mean? So I'm into a little bit of e-biking, I'm into 3D printing, and I thought I'd just kind of combine the two and make a new kind of genre out of it, like a little ride and seek. You can either walk around, or if you have a bike, if you see something you like that I printed, I post short videos on the YouTube Shorts or TikTok, same name, so you can check me out and see what's going down. But I've never been to this park, the Charlie Frias. This guy was a cab driver in Las Vegas. He worked for a company, and then he ended up buying it, you know, and really upping it till he had bought 4 more cab companies, and then he started introducing limos, and then he started introducing aircrafts, and he had the biggest transportation company in the state of Nevada. So that's where we're at now. It's just a big soccer field here, or football, whatever you want to play. But there is a ton of people out here, which I wasn't expecting. Thought everybody would be hungover in bed today. But let's see if we can get up to this top area over here and see if we can find somewhere we can put this mad cow, or if not, we'll put it on the way to the Orleans or somewhere in the Orleans. I don't know. We'll find out. Today I put out this fancy skull, and someone grabbed that one already. This isn't one of those things where you see people putting out a wad of cash and then they, you know, take it back as soon as the video's off. This ain't worth as much as a wad of cash, but, you know, it's something to do. It's fun, I think. Who knows? But we're coming up on Decatur here. I think this curves around. We'll see if we can get closer to those hills over there. Yeah, so this is what's left. You can kind of see what it used to look like through here. For years and years, since I moved to Vegas, when I was a real youngster, this was a place to go on a bike or a dirt bike. Trails everywhere. It was awesome. But to cut this all in and put a park. We are riding our Cadillac CTS-E. See if we can get a picture over here. Look at my rear rack yesterday, so I took that off. So now I'm just down to 1 battery because it had 2 batteries. But man, I really like the way it looks. without the rack. But I can't go as far. If you look at this little emblem here, you can see we got the CT5E Blackwing. Sorta. I say sorta because it's not really a Cadillac, okay? Now you know. I have a 3D printer and I just turned it into whatever I want. And I wanted a Blackwing. This bike is super quick, so if you want to race for titles or something, let me know if you got a real Blackwing. Anyhow, this is the upper side. We were down there in that field over there a second ago. I gotta say, this isn't the most kept up park I've been around. But we gotta check them all out, you know? I don't even know if I want to put you over here with some of the stuff I've been seeing going around. So I think we're gonna scratch putting something out here, and we'll either put it on the next one or we'll find something somewhere a little bit more safe. Because I don't mind being out here, but I don't want to put you out here on my watch, you know what I mean? It's like a water basin down here. Rained a good amount yesterday on New Year's Eve. And a little bit today. It just kind of cleared up a little. I'm hoping it stays not raining. I don't want to get electrocuted on my electric bike, you know? I don't think that's how that works, but, you know. That's the end of the road. So let's head back this way. So straight ahead of us will be the Strip, Las Vegas Strip. See, there's Mandalay Bay. Probably can't see that far. I don't know why I'm saying it. But we're going to start making our way over to this little car event. See if there's anything over there. Might just end up with nothing today. I don't know. We'll see. Not really nice enough weather where you'd want to take a nice car out, I'll tell you that. But most people are off today and need something to do, so there's that. Some fireworks going off in the distance. Oh, we hope it's fireworks. So we'll head down to Decatur a little bit. See if we can sneak in the back door of the Orleans. Because I believe that's where the event is. Where freight right here used to be Crystal Palace back in the day. That was a place to be. Anybody remember rollerblades? And roller skating? That's where we all used to go. But now you can just pick up tools. See what's back here. Nothing. All right, let's get back on track here. We're headed to the backside of Orleans. See if we can find some cars. I don't think we want to roll down that hill. Go back to the road. Oh, there goes the police. Just missed them. I'm not sure if the cops are going to be cool. I haven't had really an e-bike and a cop interaction yet. I've had plenty of interactions in a car, but it just depends on the cop really if they're cool or not. We will go down Harmon. We'll see if we can cut through the back here. yeah. Went to an opportunity school over here somewhere. Cadillac. Lowrider flavor. Alright, that cop just went by. Didn't give me a second look, so that's good. I think you gotta pay to get in here. I don't know about if you're on a bike, but this town car for you. It's got a roof. Buick Regal. The Bombita and a 62 Impala for you. You got a 58 wagon though. Two-door Caprice. This is supposed to be a cruise, but it's more like a charge to get into a parking lot. I don't know. What do I know? See an Impala. El Camino for you. So you can sneak in there. It's a nice one for you. Fleetwood with the Christmas lights. Another Fleetwood. '94, '93. What is it? Glass House, Luxury Sport. What's your flavor? You can pick one. Or maybe you need a golf court on 13s. It's got hydraulics too. I don't know. Maybe you need a Lambo. Look over here, you got the Palms, the Rio, Bellagio. Coupe de Ville also. So everyone's packing it up. Packing it in. Nice convertible. Oh, here comes that 58 wagon. Don't see a whole lot of those around. One of 5th Street riders. Maybe you need a Cutlass. Euro and non-Euro. Or maybe you need a Escalade on all golds. Another Fleetwood. Oh shit, what do we got here? 59 Impala. Remote control? That's cool. Did we see the 64? Alright, which one are you taking? Need a t-shirt? Arby's? Never saw an Arby's truck. Little three-wheel motion for you. Classic ladies. Bel Air up there. Enough of this. Let's go to the top of the parking garage, see if we can find or hide one of these prints up there. Alright, can we get up here? Is there anywhere to hide something? This wetness is not a good combo for taking my rear fender off. But it was part of that broken rack, so we had to ditch it. It's out of the New York, straight in front of us there. Here's the ride and seek. The Mad Cow. Stick right here, someone's coming. Oh, it's too thick. Hey, I don't want to leave you empty-handed. We are on the second level of the parking garage at the Orleans. All right, we come all the way back to the corner where the staircase is at. There's a pole right here, and I'm going to stick it right behind this pole. So for the ride and seek, we got the Mad Cow. We're on the second level of the Orleans parking garage. Okay, I'm going to put it right here. There's nobody around. See it there? Let me know if you find that. We got one more for ride and seek. This is a VGK fridge magnet. It's got a little magnet on the back there. We're at the Orleans, and we're gonna stick it right up here. All right, here we go. We're gonna put it right up on the back side of this stop sign here. No, let's go to that next sign that says something. Check this out. No one really around here. A few truckers over here. They're cool. What if we put it on the back of this stop sign right here? Nope, that's aluminum. Not gonna work. All right, time for an episode of Ride and Seek. I got this VGK fridge magnet. We're right in front of the Orleans Arena. We are going to put on one of these poles. We went to put it on a stop sign, but realized those were aluminum. It's not going to work. So we're going to put it right up here. How about that? See this pole right here? See if we can sneak this right on there. Put it on the back side. Hopefully security's not watching me. I think I'm suspicious. Boom. You need that? Let me know if you found it. Toodaloo.